Okay guys, let's wash the dishes so that we can eat the dish later. Okay. So now I'm washing the wooden stick and the plastic spoon, and we also the lunch box. Okay. How was it? My English is good or not? Now I'm washing the plates. I will wash all of this so that we have a clean and fresh plates and glass. Okay. So guys, follow me of how this is the tutorial steps of how to proper wash the plates. Tutorial. First, you need to wash first, and then now you need to put some this one soap. You need to put some, what is this one? This washing liquid, color yellow guys. It's so addictive, color yellow. Okay. Then now, after we wash again and again. That is what we're doing. Wash and wash. Wash. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is my tutorial tips of how to do the proper plates washing. Thank you.